Welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. Welcome to our 1985 vintage remodel, Jayco Jay. Today we're doing countertops. So check out the process. We are working with this stuff that's like contact paper. It's got a marble look on it. It's thick and durable though. We'll drop a link in case you're interested in what we used exactly from Amazon, of course. And I think I like it so far. So check this out. Okay, so some thoughts as I'm going along. I definitely can tell that this is higher quality than some of the other things I've tried before. It's thick, it's very sticky. So I'm going so slow and pressing out any bubbles as soon as they happen. If you have to pull up a little, good luck. It's really sticky, but you can undo it a little bit. Not as much as the, if you've seen the log cabin wallpaper that I did on our previous pop-up that got totaled, that was a lot more re-stickable, if I can say that. This seems very permanent. But I like it. It's going on well. I feel like you definitely need to stop and look from different angles to see if you're missing air bubbles. I'm inside a barn right now, so I don't have great lighting. So I just keep checking and stopping, but it's so far so good. It looks great. We're going to keep going, and then after this, I'm going to put this stuff on the table and like around the sink and stuff like that if I don't run out. It's not very much though, so it shouldn't be a problem. I do already know that I'm going to have to piece it together for my dining table. I'll have to show you how that goes. I honestly don't have a great plan for that. I'm just going to wing it and see how it goes. I'll bring you with every step of the way. Wish me luck. Thanks. Oh, also, I'm just using, you know, you can use like a credit card or whatever. I'm just using, it's a letter opener that came with, well, it's not really it's a package opener that came with a memory foam that we got in the mail. So anyway, it's working great. Any bubbles I have missed, we'll do the good old safety pin puncture in the future, but I hope to not have too many of those. Okay, here's the first step, all completed, almost all completed. I do have some bubbles. I need to take like a little safety pin and give it a little boop and squeeze any air out, but hopefully I don't have too many. It looks pretty good. I like it. It looks good with the colors, with the cabinet color. And then I have some piecing to do around the stove and sink, which won't take much. And then the big project will be the table that will take some piecing together. So stay tuned for that one, but here's the first step completed. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've done similar. I've seen a lot of campers and it always looks nice. I feel like it's classic. You can't hardly go wrong. Please excuse the chicken in the background as usual. Or say hi, Speckles. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned as we do have more content coming. Thank you for your support. Like, subscribe, and happy camping.